Hi everyone, this is a video, this is a quick video on how to register in Microsoft Azure and experience it for free for 30 days. And kasi may kaibigan tayo napapaturo kung paano daw maggawa ng account at ito na yun. At simulan na natin. First, punta ka sa website ng Microsoft Azure. Ang website is azure.microsoft.com. Again, azure.microsoft.com. Tapos, nandito ka na dito sa website nila. Punta ka lang dito sa Get Started with Azure. Try Azure for free. Ito. And then, kung meron ka ng Microsoft account, sign in mo lang dito. Pero sa atin, nalagay natin na wala pa tayong account, gagawa tayo. So, no account, create one. For example is, email add tayo. Next. So, meron na pala akong account dito. Tignan natin. Subukan nga natin. Next, password. Sign in. Yes. So may account na pala ako. So, ito yung makikita nyo sa pag-login nyo pag may account na kayo. Gawa muna kayo ng account doon. Tapos, pag na may account na kayo, ganito. Ito na yung gagawin natin. First name. Ito ay isang dummy lang. Kaya, gagawa lang ako ng hindi totoong identity ko. So, P. And last name is ito. So, phone number. Phone number siya. Lagay mo lang phone number mo dyan. And then, address. Address is city. Code. Check. Next. Itong number. Kailangan pa natin ng number. So, sa number, ito yung gamitin natin. Use different one. So, hindi tayo makakapag-register nito. Kasi wala tayong phone number. So just register here and you can have your free account after this. So you will be having a $200 credit limit, and then you can use it for 1 month. After 1 month, you will going to pay for the service and for the cloud environment. So in 1 month, you need to practice Azure so you can have an experience using it. And that's it for this video, and sana makatulong to sa inyo. Peace.